Hi, so I'm just going to work on the same code that we stopped earlier, alright, and I'm just going to show you a different way of thinking that can actually make your code a bit more efficient, alright. So right now over here, we are checking for marks greater than or equals to 85 to print 8. Now, if I do not satisfy this condition and I come to this statement, what does it mean? It means that I already am sure that my marks is smaller than 85, correct? Because if my marks were greater than 85, I would have already executed this statement. But if I did not execute that if block and I'm coming to the second block, the else if, then I know that my marks is lesser than 85. Alright, so I actually do not need to perform this check because it is already implied by the fact that I did not satisfy the first condition. So my marks has to be lesser than 85 for me to go and check the second condition. Alright, so I can actually remove that second check. Alright, and the same thing applies. Okay, the same thing applies over here, where if I do not satisfy the second condition and I come to the third else if check, I again can say for sure that the marks is definitely lesser than 70. Correct? The fact that I did not satisfy the first two conditions, I came to the third condition, means that I am definitely having marks entered that is lesser than 70. So again, I do not need to explicitly perform this check. Alright, and the code has the same logic, okay, as what we had originally thought of. So what we have originally thought of over here, it is still the same logic. Only thing is now we have actually improved the code. Okay, so let me run and show you. Okay, so if I key in, for example, 81, you got B. Okay, if I key in 56, you got C. If I key in 89, you got A. So it works exactly the same way. Okay, only thing is we have actually made an improvement to the efficiency of the code. Alright, in terms of speed, and then we also reduce the code size, okay, by making the code more compact. Alright, so of course logically the earlier code and this code work the same way, but this is a slightly more efficient code. Alright, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.